Okay, here we have the original Range Rover system. Side buttons have been removed, now they're LCD touchscreen, which are all working, so you can just press that and it goes back there. You can go to your navigation back there, click home, and we've got the Android system. This one is Android and Apple. We can now click navigation, and then you'll have Google Maps. Just got to connect your Wi-Fi to it. Come back out, you've got your media, press your media, and then you've got generic music. Let's just go back. Video, so we've got our video, go back, Bluetooth music, we've got our YouTube, Google Play, pick. I'm pretty sure there's no hotspot connected, so it may work, it may not. Yeah, just got to connect hotspot and that'll work. Go back, pictures, let's have a look, go home, swipe across, got Apple CarPlay there, voice, apps, so you've got quite a few apps there that you can add and delete from your app store. I like this, gives you your speedos. Let's go back, sorry I'm trying to film and talk. Come back, and then just go original, and we're back to factory settings with nothing really lost. What are we looking for? Back, and then you got your ambient lighting and your bits and bobs. Nice little upgrade this. If you're interested, get in touch. It's Waz at B&B Audioconcepts, 02920 707 275. Thank you.